What's up everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today is the final day, day 12 of the holiday giveaway series, and it is a good one. Today's giveaway is going to be from Adams and it is valued at about $420. So phenomenal giveaway, but let's go ahead and get into the previous day's giveaway, which is day 10, and that is for the Active 2.0 electric pressure washer kit. Again, this one's been opened, but everything in it's brand new. It has not been used. So I had 1,624 comments on that video, guys. So huge turnout of comments and entries. I did the Google random number generator and the winner was actually number 4. So it was a recent comment, and that is Perry Taylor. So congratulations, Perry. You are the winner. I will go ahead and comment on the on your comment and let you know that you won, and then I'll give you my email. You can reach out and send me your shipping information. We'll get this thing out to you. So congratulations. Now for everybody else, there's still an opportunity to win day 11's giveaway, which is this guy here, the Hart 3-in-1 wet dry vac and carpet extractor. Really cool item here. I use this thing quite a bit personally. I love it. Now for my professional use, I do use a Mighty extractor that's heated. I like the heating element. But if you're just getting started out or you just want something that's easy to use and have the ability to use it as your vacuum as well, this thing's incredible. Like for value, this thing is hard to beat. Along with this, I'm also doing a couple items from MacShine, including their foam cannon and some microfiber towels and all that kind of stuff. So make sure to go check that video. I'll have it linked at the very end of this video. It'll pop up. You can go check that one out and make sure you're entered in to win that as well. Okay, now let's get into the day 12 giveaway. I want to say thank you to everyone at Adams for sending this out. I actually reached out to them and said, would you guys like to participate in this giveaway? And they sent out some really fantastic products. So item number 1 is going to be their graphene ceramic coating kit. Now this is the kit. You don't get the light. This thing actually has UV tracing technology in it, so you can see where it lays down. You can still see it without it as well, but it makes it even easier. This is the kit without the light, but this is valued at 120 bucks. The kit's really cool. I don't think I ever realized that they had this. I bought the graphene coating before. I like it a lot. Really great coating. But I just bought the vial because I have everything. But the kit comes with 2 microfiber towels. It also comes with some of the little wipes that you can use on an applicator's on an applicator little block, and then it also comes with 60 mils of the ceramic coating itself. As you can see, there's a hint of black. So when you guys use this, just make sure to shake it up. That's why I always do it, just to make sure everything's mixed up. Comes with a set of gloves. Comes with 2 applicators. And then it also comes with surface prep. So before you apply the coating, just wipe this on everything, make sure all the oils and everything are removed from the paint. So that's awesome. And they also give you a small bottle of Graphene Boost. This is just a topper coat that you can use continually. So incredible little kit, 120 bucks of value here. And we're giving this away today. Okay, so that's item number 1 from them, $120 of value already. Item number 2 was something they came out specifically for Black Friday, and it is a limited edition run of polishers, and that is the SK Pro. This is their Swirl Killer Series 15 millimeter throw polisher. Fantastic unit here, guys. One of the things that's interesting about this, I don't want to take it out, but it's cool. They have a little light infused little button up here so you can shine a little bit of light on the panel as you work. As you can see just in the picture, the cord actually comes off the unit. So the cord's in here as well. But that's really nice, especially if you're traveling. There's nothing worse than having your cord kind of bend up and then eventually it loses the contact points. So it's really cool that they have that, and then you can swap that between machines and all that kind of good stuff. So phenomenal here, guys. Again, this thing is valued at $299.99 full retail price. So between the two of these, 420 bucks. Amazing kit from Adams for the final day of our 12 days of holiday giveaways. So good luck to all of you. All you have to do to make sure you're subscribed to the channel and just simply comment down below. Also, if you are not following me on Instagram and you have one, go follow me over there as well. But other than that, very simple, subscribe and comment down below. Now this is the official last day of the giveaways, but I'm still gonna give this one 48 hours till I announce the winner. So I'll announce the winner on this giveaway, as well as this giveaway on my next video. I think my normal upload will be on Friday. So I'll announce the winner to both of those on Friday. And once again, guys, huge disclaimer, there are scammers that go into the comments on YouTube and say that you won when you didn't. What they'll do is they'll reach out and say, text me or reach out to me here, and then they're gonna ask for shipping costs and all that kind of stuff. This is a completely free giveaway. There's no shipping cost or anything. It's just if you win, I'll send it out to you, no cost to you. So don't fall for the scams. I announce the winners on camera and then I'll do a direct comment as well. So that's it for today's video, guys. Amazing kit, like I said, polisher and ceramic coating to keep your car looking its best. So good luck to all of you. I really appreciate all of you, and I wish all of you very, very happy holidays. Make sure to like the video, make sure you subscribe, turn on that notification bell, and we'll see you on the next one.